As a judge for the PAY360 Awards this year, it was actually quite difficult. The standard of entry was very high, and especially with the category that we were judging, the leading emerging payments organisation, we really wanted to look for a true standout performer in this area. However, we were able to unanimously select a winner, and we really based that on a company that was really pushing the boundaries forward with embedded finance and really looking to enable companies to make a real difference within the industry.
Hi, my name is Daniel Greeler. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer here at Weaver. We were really excited to win the leading emerging payments platform in the PAY360 Awards. Our submission for the award was for our financial plugins that we've created, and this is a specific product or three specific products: supplier finance, employer finance, and worker finance. We created these financial plugins in order to make embedded finance far easier than they'd ever been before. You know, banking as a service is the genesis of this industry. This became embedded finance. We're actually pushing this out into what we call plug and play finance, and it was our financial plugins that enabled that. Now, why was this product created? As I've already mentioned, the genesis of the idea is banking as a service. It becomes embedded finance. This is really the idea of having a financial service inside of a non-financial journey or customer experience or product. And this is a brilliant evolution in the way financial services are delivered, because it creates a huge amount of value and far better customer experiences. The problem has always been that they are incredibly difficult to create. Embedded finance is the evolution of the banking as a service product, but it's still very difficult. It has a high amount of expertise in the industry required. You have a huge compliance burden. The whole idea of financial plugins in enabling plug and play finance is that all of that problem goes away. So whatever your business is, whether or not you're doing B2B supplier activities, whether or not you're working in the gig economy, whether or not you're providing accountancy tools or invoice management tools, you can now provide financial services inside of your solution without having to have any of the expertise required, without having to shoulder any of the compliance burden. That's what the financial plugins that Weaver provide do. So there was this huge need, or this demand, to have the financial services in non-financial settings, but it was so costly and so difficult to manage that we came up with financial plugins in order to make it really, really easy. In terms of how successful it's been, we've now onboarded dozens and dozens of innovators. We're processing hundreds of millions of dollars a year, and we're actually able, with the simplicity of our product, to get people live on our platform in 5 weeks. So we've been able to take this hugely costly, time-consuming, painful process and turn it into allowing our customers, our innovators, to provide fully branded banking and financial services in a matter of days. The award has already been of huge benefit to Weaver. We're getting more and more people come to us and ask us how this works, because, again, as I go back to why was the product created, the demand is absolutely there to provide financial services in a non-financial setting. Embedded finance is absolutely the coming thing in the financial services industry. However, the more people look into it, they've identified the problems that I've just outlined of compliance, of knowledge being required, of expertise being required, and the technical solutions that have to be built are very costly to not only build but also maintain. So people want to do it, but then hearing about the award, people are coming to us to take advantage of what Weaver has built, which enables this to happen faster, less cost intensive from a kind of capital deployed point of view, quicker into market, and really losing none of that ideal outcome, the perfect customer solution where the financial solution is embedded inside of the digital experience. So the award is already helping people identify Weaver as the fastest, simplest, easiest way to provide embedded finance in a digital setting. So from that point of view, again, we were really excited to win the award, and it's already paying dividends.
We were really proud at PaySafe to sponsor this category, the leading emerging payments organization. For us, it felt like a natural fit, just given how many different payment services we've had to launch over the years. We've also bought a number of businesses as well, small businesses in different parts of the world, and we understand what it takes to succeed in a highly competitive environment and industry. So a massive congratulations to Weaver, richly deserved, and they can be very proud of their success in this category.